I know my rights. You cannot touch me. You cannot touch me.
Hey, come here, stop.
These Karen think they can outsmart the cops until reality hits hard.
The shit out of me, bro.
I'm not harassing you.
I want to speak to a lieutenant. You have to give me a lieutenant.
Call 1015 for me. I got it. Get up.
Hands right back now.
Brace yourself for epic meltdowns and when Eric's Karens defy the police and instantly backtrack.
You see, they're arresting me. They're arresting me for what?
On July 9th, 2023, police were called to a casino bar for a reported battery incident.
I'm just trying to get the story.
They pushed me.
You got an ID on you or anything?
No.
Okay, how'd you get in here without a driver's license?
He said, that's a man. I'm like, how am I a man when I'm a girl?
Okay. What's your last name? What's your address?
Why you want all my info?
Because I have to do a report on this.
Why are you guys questioning me when I'm the one that got attacked?
Listen.
Anyways,
hey.
It's honestly, it's like,
Stop.
honestly,
Stop
you
talking.
guys are,
Listen.
you guys, no,
Yes.
you are invading my privacy. You're invading my privacy because I need a lawyer and you need to move out because I want to go. I don't want to press charges.
Okay.
And if I want to press charges, that's why. Let me leave.
You're not leaving?
Yes, I'm leaving. Let me leave.
You're not leaving.
Why am I not leaving?
Because I have another officer talking to the other people that were
Well, I don't give a.
So I'm going to speak
Well,
with
I'm
you.
I'm not pressing charges. Okay, well, let me leave.
So if you want to have your chance to give me your side
Well,
of the story,
I don't
then
want
we
to be
could do
here.
that.
I don't want to be here.
That's fine. So the faster
Okay, can I go?
the faster that you cooperate,
Can I go?
the faster you possibly leave then.
Can I go?
But
Can I go?
no.
No, because you, honestly,
Sit down.
you're stopping me. That's against the law. That's against the law for me to stay here. That's against the law.
Stop.
You touch me,
I will.
That's against the law.
The officer tried to calm the woman down and asked her to cooperate, but she kept acting rude, filming the police on her phone even though nothing serious was happening.
Okay.
Okay, let me record this.
That's fine.
That's against the law. That's against the law
Sit
for you to
down.
touch me. I don't give a. I don't give a.
Disrespectful.
I don't give a.
Do you want to keep on going this road, or do you want to sit down and talk with us?
Can you can you leave me?
No. You're going to have to sit down and
Can
talk
you
to us.
can you let me go?
No.
Because like this is against the law. For you, you're entrapping me. You're entrapping me. You're entrapping me. Don't touch
I'm
me.
not. I will.
You're touching me. You're touching me.
Did you throw a bottle at somebody's head?
You're touching me. You're entrapping me.
Did you throw a bottle at somebody's head?
No, you're entrapping me.
Do you want to sit down?
Don't touch me.
I will.
Look, you're touching me. You're touching me.
You threw a bottle at somebody's head.
I didn't throw no bottle on nobody's head.
Okay, then
I
why
didn't
don't you
throw no
sit
bottle
down
on
and
nobody's
give me your
head.
side of the
Don't
story?
touch me.
Please.
Do not touch
I
me.
will.
I didn't throw no bottle on nobody's
Do you
head.
want to give me your side of the story?
I
or
didn't
not?
throw no bottle on nobody's
You're
head.
not leaving. So what's that person?
Okay, show me
Because you're about
the
to
show
just
me
go
the
in handcuffs.
videos. Show me the videos.
Do you want to just go in handcuffs?
Show me the videos. Okay, show me the videos.
Do you want to go in handcuffs?
Show me the videos. Show me the video.
I'm going to look at it. but
Okay, well, show me the video.
side of the story.
Show me the video.
You're going to have to take the phone out of my face.
Show me the video.
Okay.
They're touching me. They're touching me.
What's that person?
He's touching me. He's touching me.
They threw
Yeah,
a
he's
drink?
touching me. Okay,
She
let me
threw a
see.
drink.
No,
What did
I
they
didn't
wanna
throw.
do?
I didn't. Okay, let me see the video. Let me see the video.
Relax.
You relax.
Stop.
Get your hands out of my face.
Do you want to sit
I don't
down?
give a.
Okay.
Do you want to sit down?
Let
or
me
no?
see the video. Let me see the video. Let me see the video.
Okay. Do you understand?
Let me see the video.
Okay.
Don't touch me, because you
understand
cannot
that-
touch me. You cannot
I
touch
can.
me. You already touched me twice.
Do you understand that you're going to go in handcuffs?
I don't give a.
Want to sit
No.
down and cooperate with us?
I don't give a. No.
You're going to go in handcuffs if you want to sit
Okay,
down and
no.
cooperate with us. Do you want to have the chance to give your side of the story or no?
But I already said it.
No, you do not.
But I already
You have
did.
not been.
I already
You have
did.
not been compliant with us one bit.
I
I
already did.
barely got your information.
I already did.
So do you want to
I
tell me
said
your
leave
side of the
me.
story?
I said leave me alone. Leave me alone.
That's not how it works. So what I have so far is that you threw a drink at somebody.
I do. Okay, show me the video.
Do you want to?
Show me the video.
Do you
Show me the video.
Do you want to tell your side or no?
Okay, show me the video.
Okay.
I need the video. Let me see the video. Let me see the video.
I'm gonna watch the
Let me
video.
see the video. Let me see the video.
But at this point, it's really not gonna
Okay,
matter.
well, let me see the video. Let me see the video.
No complaints.
Let me see the video. No complaints, you see? Let me see the video. Let me see the video where I threw the drink at somebody's face. Let me see the video.
So listen.
Okay, well, let me see the video where I threw somebody's drink. Okay, let me see. I don't give a I know my rights. You cannot touch me. You cannot touch me.
Okay.
Because, okay, I want to see the video where I threw a drink at somebody's face like you claim. I want to see the video.
She refused to believe the officers' accusations, claiming they were lying and demanding video evidence. She even called for another police unit because she didn't trust the officers in front of her.
Will not see the video.
Well, I need the video.
So what you can do?
Well, I need the video.
If you let me talk, you will know what you can do. to see
Okay, let
the
me
video.
call 911 right now.
Absolutely.
Okay, let
We're
me
right
call
here.
911.
I can help you.
Okay, let me
So-
call 911.
so listen.
I don't give a.
If you
Let
call,
me see the. I don't
if
give a.
you-
I don't care.
If you
He's
call-
telling me he has a video where I threw a drink at somebody. Let me see the video. Let me call 911.
So if you call
I
911,
don't care.
that is
I
gonna
don't
be improper
care.
use of
I don't
911.
care. I don't care. Let me see the fucking video.
There is no video. You.
Okay, well, there's no video. Why are you claiming?
There-
Okay, you see?
I said that you're gonna see.
Okay,
You can't call me.
okay, well, I'm calling 911.
You have to talk to us.
Okay, well, I don't give a f. He say I threw somebody a drink in their face. Let me see the video. I want to see the video.
All right, run her. See if she actually gave the right information.
I want to see the video. I want to see the
You
video.
got your ID?
No, you cannot touch me.
Okay. So I'm gonna tell you this right now. If you gave us fake information, and
I
you
don't give a.
refuse to give me your information.
I don't care.
then you're gonna be
I don't
arrested.
care. I don't care. I don't care. Not touch me.
I will. If you gave me fake
No,
information.
you can. I don't
I'm
care.
100% going.
I don't give a.
Okay.
You think I'm illegal? You got me fucked up. You think I'm one of them ass bitches that gonna sit there and listen to your ugly ass, nasty ass, looking ass, bitch ass, your pussy ass bitch. Get out of here, you fucking nasty ass. They're over here. They're over here framing me. They're over here
You already
framing
called
me.
me. That's all.
Just because I'm trans. Just because I'm trans, they're framing me. They're over here framing me because I'm trans.
She kept challenging the officers, threatening to sue them, and repeatedly insulting them for allegedly disrespecting her as a transgender woman, even though the officers hadn't laid a hand on her.
So you're refusing to provide your ID to us? Did Diamond get any return back on
Let
it
me
yet?
call.
You're en route to get arrested right now.
For what? Why? Why? You're framing me, pa. You touch me, I'm gonna sue you.
Okay.
Yes, no. I'm gonna sue.
Okay.
You cannot touch me. I need a lawyer right now, and I don't want you to be in front of me. I need someone right here. So get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. You cannot do that. You're framing me. For what? Just because I don't give a f about you. I need a lawyer. You cannot touch me. You can't touch me. You can't touch me at all. I didn't do nothing. I didn't fight nobody. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Can you send me a lawyer? Can you send me a cop or something? Because they're over here framing me just because I'm trans. They're already there. Disrespectful. This white man over here, he pushed me. He fucking hit me. I have a bruise on my fucking shoulder when you pushed me. I have a fucking bruise on my shoulder because he pushed me.
Okay.
The officers had enough of her rude behavior and decided to arrest her immediately.
All right, you're going in handcuffs.
No.
Yeah, you are.
No. Why? How?
Take your purse
You
off.
see? You see? They're arresting me. They're arresting me for what?
Now take your purse off
For
or not?
what? No. Arresting me for what? What am I doing? What? No, they're arresting me. They're arresting me. They're arresting me. They're arresting me.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is Des Plaines Police.
No, oh no, you cannot take my phone.
We already got it.
Ma'am, this is Officer Haddad with Displays Police.
5-1, show 1 in custody.
You're gonna hang up, okay?
No.
Thank
For
you.
what? For what?
Come on.
For what?
We'll be back in a second.
Can I get my purse and all that stuff?
Please walk out the door.
Why you guys do that? Why you guys are doing that
All right.
for?
So, I have a serious question for you.
What?
You said that you were a transgender, correct?
Yeah,
Would
yeah.
you like a female officer to come here and search you then?
I don't give a f.
Okay. And you spit on the car. Cool. 5-1. Can we get a female officer down here for a search?
Okay, why are you touching me?
Because I'm not going to have you
Well,
spit on
you're
my
a
car.
f***ing man.
I got to sit on that
You're
one.
a f***ing man. Don't touch me like a man, you f***ing f***. I'm a female.
Yes. And that's why
Why
I
are you
just...
touching me like that? Don't f***ing touch me.
To obstructing, filing false police report. Yep.
I need my stuff. Can I
Grab
get
it.
my stuff? Can I get my f***ing stuff?
Did you just step on him?
No, I didn't. Can I get my stuff?
No. We will grab your stuff. Yeah, we can do that. Don't stomp on my toes.
I'm not stopping on somebody's
Yes, you
stuff.
did.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Leave me the f*** alone. Why you guys are doing that to me? Why are you doing that? Really? You doing that to me?
Trying to elbow me now?
Over you.
Okay, you just picked up an assault charge.
She was charged with aggravated battery to a police officer, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and obstructing ID. In Illinois, these charges can lead to years in prison, heavy fines, and a permanent criminal record. That was absolutely insane. Now let's see how viewers reacted to it. That looks like a Sheena Warrior Princess action figure after being microwaved for 2 minutes. They let this go on Waha too long. I know alcohol gets people in trouble, but being stupid works too. Arguing, insulting officers, and refusing to cooperate can quickly turn a minor incident into serious criminal charges. Staying calm and respectful during police encounters is the best way to avoid escalating the situation and facing harsh legal consequences. That was just the beginning. The next Karen is even more intense and unreasonable. Subscribe to Urban Law now to catch all the action.
Don't touch me. You're gonna get paid. Stop. You're under arrest. Stop.
On January 13th, 2025, police were dispatched to question a woman about an earlier incident in which she had assaulted someone.
Hey, sir, I gotta talk to you real quick, okay, miss? Miss.
Hey, don't touch me.
Come here, stop.
Stop. Stop. Stop. Stop. Stop. Stop. Don't touch me. You're gonna get paid. Stop. You're under arrest. Stop running. Then talk to us. I don't even know y'all. Is your name Armani? Leave me alone. So we need to make sure you're okay. I'm fine. I literally we don't know that. They literally just bullied me. Stop running. Stop. Don't touch. You're under arrest. Where are your shoes? You gotta get your shoes. Alright, I give you. You're under arrest. Okay. Put your hand behind your back. Now, your left hand behind your back. Your left hand behind your back. I'm sitting on it. Good. Don't move yet. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Domestic battery.
For what?
And now you're under arrest for agbat to PO. And obstructing.
Alright, does this go along with my testimony? Does this go along with my testimony?
Look at the ground.
Armani continued resisting arrest, made erratic statements, claiming she was a spirit and not female, and verbally lashed out, accusing officers of being racist.
Yes, you say my stuff.
Are you Armani? Is your name Armani?
I am a spirit.
20. You good?
20 good.
One female, 95.
I'm not a female. You didn't even look down there yet.
Add a charge of
Hurry up! They're all in trouble. You shouldn't even have a weapon on you. You hurry up!
Shut up.
You shut up!
Do you want to stand?
Get up.
Hey, you talk to me respectfully. I'm not playing with you. You talk to me respectfully.
Stand by.
Any aggressiveness I'm adding to your charges. Do you hear me? What is your name? What is your name?
Terry, stop yelling in my
What's
face.
your name? I'm not playing with your sad. That's sad.
What's that?
Do you see it in my eyes now? You don't care at all.
40. I'll return 41.
Racist ass. All this shit is racist. You just want me to do whatever I want. Now you hurry up! Hey, I'm not playing with you. Hurry up!
On the van.
Send us the video.
I'm sorry, 20, you didn't come across, try it again.
We're in van.
Any unit with the squad roll device?
While restrained, she screamed for help, shouted at officers, and said they were all going to hell. Officers remained calm but firm.
16 is going to grab it, head out there. Thanks anyway.
All y'all are going to hell for this shit.
Perfect.
One more. We're good, thank you.
Thanks, though.
Help! Help! Help!
622, can you start heading out to Bellarmine? I think they're asking for one more. Their signals are 10-1.
Do you hear me? I said you're going to hell.
Pick up your head for a minute so I can put this under
No,
your
I said you're going to hell. Leave me alone. I'm not playing with you, Tracy.
My name's not Tracy. Pick your head up so I can put this under your head.
What is it?
Your hood.
You don't care, bro.
I copy. Hey, man.
Go get my shoes, bro. You know it's too cold.
I'm close by. I'm gonna switch over to Central.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
No, you're not.
She continued arguing and made veiled threats, saying they were lucky she didn't act out.
Wrap your legs around
I should
mine
tell
and
you,
put me
clear my
down.
shit. I cleared your shit first. He had no right to put his hands on the wall. You better be lucky if I don't act out.
Cover, can I get the CR?
Share number is going to be 512, 512. That was 5 to 917.
My feet are getting cold, bro.
You should have kicked your shoes off.
This has nothing to do with shoes. No one's talking to you.
As officers prepared to transport her, she remained hostile, insisted cameras be on, and refused to cooperate unless treated a certain way.
Your camera better be on.
Whoever is coming to Sam's, bring us some shackles.
Your camera better be on too.
Oh, it's on.
Everything's gone.
Get your freaking elbow on my back.
Shut up. Just sit down.
I am down. I know the rules, bro. Nobody was talking to you. I ain't gotta do shit y'all say ever.
You got shackles?
Johnny, you got
He
shackles?
better. His camera better be on too.
It's all on.
Help! Help!
24, we're right in front of Sam's Club.
And I'm gonna get up nice and easy. You better be nice.
Right by the entrance. Do not kick and do not hit. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Stand up.
See the code.
I'm sure.
Be nice. I know how to get in my car.
Yeah, she lost them over there. You know where my squad's at? It's gonna be like right there.
They're over there.
Yeah.
What about my what about my Bible though? Can I keep that with me? No, hold on to it. You'll bring it right there, right?
She was charged with domestic battery and aggravated battery to a police officer. In Illinois, these charges can result in up to 1 year in jail for domestic battery and 2 to 7 years in prison for aggravated battery to an officer, along with fines, probation, or mandatory counseling. Total chaos. Now let's take a look at the most savage reactions from the comment section. I don't even know why all. Like you need to be on a first name basis to comply with law enforcement. That cop must be a mum wear your shoes. First time I've heard the criminal tell the officer to stop running. Losing control and attacking others, then fighting with police only leads to harsher charges and penalties. Staying calm, respectful, and cooperative during confrontations can help avoid serious legal consequences. Unbelievable, right? But trust me, the next Karen takes it to a whole new level. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Urban Law.
No, holding on. You're being
Yes, I
placed
am.
under arrest.
I'm not to call my dad to get my kids. You're not
We
my
will
kids to
absolutely
handcuff me.
allow you to.
On January 15th, 2024, police pulled the woman over for driving 20 miles over the speed limit. She immediately panicked upon realizing it was the same officer who had earlier called Child Protective Services on her.
Today on Uncovered.
You harassing the shit out of me, bro.
I'm not harassing you.
I want to speak to a lieutenant. You have to give me a lieutenant.
This is the second time now that this child is not strapped in.
Call your sergeant.
A traffic stop turns into a call for protective services when this unruly mother gets caught endangering her baby's life for the second time. Police conducted the stop on January 15th of 2024 after clocking the suspect at 20 miles over the speed limit. She immediately begins to freak out after remembering the officer from a previous incident where he was forced to call Child Protective Services on her.
Do you just have your license, registration, insurance on you, please?
Is that 226?
It's 266.
You know that's me. Why you knew you was pulling me over?
Well, I saw that
You
you were...
missed me.
No, I saw...
You missed me.
Okay. I saw you were doing 43 miles an hour and 25. That's why I'm pulling you over.
Thank God. All right, can she get a bag out of there because she's still nauseous?
Sure, she can.
Go ahead, Rich.
Do you just have your documents on you,
I
please?
don't have it on me.
You don't have anything on you?
No. All right, well, go over there.
You don't have your license, your registration, or your insurance on you?
Yes, I did. You can look it up, right? Can you turn the light down or something?
It's not on your face. It's on your steering wheel, miss.
Now this harassment because this is
it's not harassing.
It is though. You the same person that.
All right, miss. You're obligated by law to give your license, registration, and insurance.
Can you look it up?
I can look it up, but
Okay,
you're supposed to have it in the vehicle. You have none of those.
It's probably in here, but my vehicle looks a mess.
Okay.
And the last time you came to the scene.
Well, this vehicle's not registered to you, is
It's
it?
to my husband.
Okay. So what's your name?
So ain't that a whole nother charge?
What's another charge?
You not having no registration.
Right. That's why I'm trying to inquire if you have those documents in the car. And the child's not buckled in again?
Oh my God, here he go. Where you at, Yanni? Bro, the same cop that took my report that went crazy about my car pulled me over. Are you? I swear to God. Can you look over there? They're talking about the child not buckled and all that. Like, here we go.
Oh my God. How did he know I'm lost? Where was you at?
Girl, I was on Banks coming to your house.
No, you were...
Shut my door.
You were on Prospect.
Shut my door. I was coming down Prospect, coming down Banks. My sister lived right there.
Instead of cooperating, the mother immediately accused the officer of harassment, claiming he was targeting her because of their previous interaction. She even demanded to speak to a lieutenant.
266 is the same person that pulled me over that day, girl, and he's harassing me.
What I'm asking you is, how would he, what was his reason for pulling you over?
You said I was doing 46. I was never doing 46.
No, I said you were doing 42.
I was never doing no 42.
Okay, we're not holding court here, ma'am. Do you have the documents in the vehicle?
No. Look it up, bro.
So, spell your name for me.
I'm all the way on the parkway, bro.
Okay, so what are you pulling me over for? I want to speak to a lieutenant. That's what I want to do.
Okay, you can speak to a lieutenant whenever you want.
Daddy to come here. Call whoever above you, because this is ridiculous.
Okay, you still need to identify yourself.
Okay, let me fix my car.
No, you can leave it, put it right back in park.
If the car is in the road, why can't
I have my vehicle blocking for you. You are fine.
All right, call lieutenant.
Okay.
Girl, call a lieutenant.
What's your name, miss?
Go in the store and get a bag. Girl was feeling nauseous, so she was going in the store to get a bag. He comes speeding behind me. I seen him when I passed the first time. The fuck?
Okay, miss, what's your name?
Call a lieutenant.
Okay, miss, what's your name?
Call a lieutenant. Yes, he knows my car. Girl, why? I spoke to the lieutenant. He knows my car.
Call him, but we don't need him.
Okay, I need to speak to a lieutenant, though. I'm asking to speak to somebody above you.
Okay.
Yeah, he
Miss,
got to give them to me.
You still need to identify yourself.
I want to speak to a lieutenant.
Okay, and he's going to tell you the same exact thing.
Okay, I need to speak to a lieutenant because at this point, this is harassment.
It's not harassment.
It is harassment.
It's not.
Every time I turn around, you try to make an excuse to pull me over.
Miss,
you remembered my car.
No,
it
you
was
were speeding.
No way.
You were speeding.
So you got that on record that I was doing 42?
Yes, it's on the radar.
Oh, okay. I know for a fact I wasn't speeding.
Okay. Well, you were.
What's the name open? Go get a bag so you could, in case you feel nauseous. Yo, open the door. My daughter, if she feel nauseous, she can go get a bag. What are you talking about?
You can
go
let,
get
you
a
can
bag.
let her go.
Go get a bag. What you mean she can't get out? Like, what you holding my door for?
Miss, are you done yet?
I want to speak to a lieutenant.
Okay, I still need to identify you.
I want to speak to a lieutenant. You have to give me a lieutenant.
I don't
I'm
have
right here.
to. First of all,
the station right there.
I don't have to do anything.
Okay, so you either going to give me a lieutenant or I'm going to make you follow me to the station.
You're not leaving.
Because you're harassing me.
I'm not harassing
yes,
you.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
The you harassing the shit out of me, bro.
I'm not harassing you. You were speeding. That's why I stopped you.
No, I was not speeding. My daughter felt nauseous.
Okay.
So why not go right here? Soon as you, before you even put your lights on, I'm already going to the store.
Do you need me to call first aid for her?
I don't need you to do anything. I need you to do a call a sergeant.
No, the sergeant's coming.
Turn around. You always harassing me, bro.
Okay, so
I'm right here.
are you gonna provide your name?
When a sergeant come, I give him my information.
Okay.
Because you're harassing me.
No,
I don't want to deal with you.
Just letting you know.
I don't want to deal with you.
That's okay.
I don't want to deal with you.
Just letting you know.
Girl, then he comes to the car, so about the kid's not strapped in. You on my bad as hell. What you work for, Defy?
How you know that?
What you work for, Defy? You on my bad as hell.
I will be contacting Defy.
It don't matter.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay.
Girl, I'm glad you got that recorded. You see how he harassing me, right?
It is on recording.
Who says that to somebody?
A police officer.
Who says that to somebody, though?
This is the second time now that this child is not strapped in.
Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant.
A sergeant arrived on the scene. The mother repeated her version of events, insisting she wasn't speeding, and the officer was harassing her. However, the sergeant confirmed that the officer had radar evidence of her speeding.
What's going on, ma'am?
What's your name?
Sergeant Brennan.
How you doing, Sergeant Brennan?
I'm all right. How are you?
I'm okay. My daughter, she has asthma, so I was about to stop at the store because she wanted to get a bag because she was feeling nauseous.
Okay.
I had an incident with this guy last time with my car being hit, so he knows my car.
Okay. Well, did he tell you the reason for the stop?
He said I was speeding, but I was not speeding.
Okay. Well, he does have the radar detector going. Okay.
And then every time it's always a problem. Ever since that accident, when I reported it, and he tried to act like that, the accident was my fault. It's always been an issue with him. He noticed my car. I'm not trying to hit that wall at. He noticed my car. So what am I supposed to do 10 if my daughter needs to get a bag?
Ma'am, I'm telling you this right now. I know for a fact that the officer's been running radar on this road. It's not that he's targeting your car. I know where he was sitting.
It's crazy. Yanni, could you call Daddy, bro? Then you talk about something. He calling diapers. Like, you weird as hell. Swear to God on everything I love. Let me call you back so I can call this man real quick.
What's your name, ma'am? Could you just give us your car insurance card so that way we could just check your documents and all that kind of stuff?
Weird as hell, bro. That is weird. It's not in it. I don't know. We can't look it up to see who is registered to and just give a ticket for not having it.
What we're talking about is the insurance. We just want to see a document for insurance. If you have it on your phone, that's completely acceptable if you can pull it up electronically. We just need to verify that the car is insured.
Yeah, but you can't see that it's insured?
Not in our system, no.
Weird as hell. Like, bro, he really is weird as hell. Then threaten me with diapers. Like, you weird as hell. Supposed to be protected. Can you give me a copy of the insurance for the car?
Sure, well,
send it to me so I can show this man that I got insurance.
okay.
You send me a picture.
Okay, that works.
out of here. All these unsolved ass murders that you talk about calling diapers on somebody when every time you pull me over, I got my kids with me. The out of here. Y'all worrying about the wrong calling diapers with somebody that got their kids.
Okay, did he tell you why?
He said because she wasn't strapped in. She's in her seat.
Does she have
won't y'all do a class for parents to learn how to put it on right? You don't just call diapers. Every time he stopped me, I got my babies with me. My kids is with me 24/7.
Okay.
You call diapers if I don't take care of my kids. That's a whole different story. But don't call diapers because every time you see me or we bump heads, I got my kids with me.
Look, is your baby strapped in, buckled in, and all that?
She's in her seat. My thing on my car thing, it don't open up wide, so it's not doing that.
Okay, that's probably the reason why he's talking about.
You don't call diapers for that, though. You don't call diapers for that. Call diapers on somebody when you pull them over, they never got their kids. Every time he pulled me over, I had my kids with me.
But listen.
Out of here, it's him and the other man. They always f***ing with me, bro.
Listen, the thing is, we're not saying if you got in a car
I know
accident.
people that know
right?
people.
Listen,
like, I'm not.
Listen, if you get into a car accident and the baby doesn't have something to protect them from going forward, they could fly right through the window. You don't want that to happen, right? So you just got to buckle
You
the
don't
seatbelt.
threaten nobody. If you want to give me a class how to put it on right, do that. Don't call diapers because every time you see me, I got my kids with me. Don't do that.
Right.
Every time he pulled me over, I got my kids with me. That's the first thing he say. I'm gonna call diapers. Who says that? Because I asked for a sergeant? Because at this point, you're harassing me. He know my car.
You got your insurance card? All right, I'll be right back. I'm just going to bring this over to him so he can verify.
They explain the risk of the child being ejected in a crash, giving an example of a fatality in another case. The woman protests that she's always with her kids and resents the repeated threat of calling Child Protective Services.
It's all right. Shut the door. It's okay.
You know what happened in that car accident? And how a 3-year-old little girl got ejected out the windshield because she wasn't in her car seat the right way. If she was in the car seat the right way, like her brother was that was next to her, she would have lived. She's dead. You understand what I'm saying? That's the kind of this is you being accountable for your children. That's what you need to do with this. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, that's our concern. We are trying to, that baby can't fight for itself. It is your job to fight for that baby and keep that baby safe. And if you can't even put a seatbelt in there, at the least we need to call diapers. At the least we need to give you a ticket. That you're not keeping your kids safe when you're transporting them.
Every time you see me,
no, it's not every time we see you. I'm telling you, it's not every time we see you. He stopped you off radar. He didn't even see your car yet. Radar saw the car. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I was picking you up. I was picking you up off radar when you came right off of Springwood Avenue.
You understand? Just say that. Like, I don't even care. This isn't all right, what we doing? Because I need to think that.
Okay.
What I gotta do.
So here's what we're doing. You're being placed under arrest.
I got two. Wait, hold on.
No, there is no holding on. You're being placed under arrest.
I'm not to call my dad to get my kids. You're not.
We will absolutely allow you to make arrangements.
Somebody got my phone. I showed you the thing.
It's in my car. All right, we're gonna give it to you. All right. I just need you to stand up.
Give me my phone so I can call somebody to get my kids. I'm not.
Can you just grab the phone? It's on my center console.
Weird as hell.
What's weird as hell?
You weird as hell.
How?
I just explained.
Don't even worry about it.
Okay. You're gonna make a phone call to have somebody come get your kids.
Hello.
During arrest, she curses at officers, complains about the cuffs, and continues arguing.
Trust.
Hold on. You ain't got to do it right here. Can I walk over here? My daughter's right in the car.
Let's go right around here.
Why you grabbing me? I'm walking with you.
Because you're in my custody. That's why.
Yeah, but I'm not doing nothing crazy. Like, why you grabbing me?
It's operating procedure.
I'm not running nowhere, no nothing.
It's operating procedure.
Oh, he's weird as hell, bro.
I know. I'm so weird. Other hand, please.
You gotta drop the cigarette now, man.
Come on.
You gotta put it out now. It's time.
Crazy, bro. You got some tight as hell, like.
I don't. I can fit a finger between them both. If I can fit a finger between, it means they're not tight.
I'm not going nowhere.
Look, you don't want them to clamp
you think
down.
I'm about to really run? Come on.
I'm trying to double lock them so they don't clamp down on your wrist when you sit down. Damn, chill.
No, because you really crazy, bro.
I'm crazy for doing my job.
You doing too much. Y'all be
sorry, you should be happy I'm doing my job to its fullest extent.
Y'all putting the force on the wrong bro. All these all this going on and y'all worrying about the wrong.
Do you have any information you'd like to give us to help us out?
I work already with the feds. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, come on. Then I'm Asbury with him. I'm not working with Asbury. Hell no.
Okay. Who's your federal handler?
I got his information in my phone. It's under fed.
Okay. Is there anything else on you I need to know about?
No, I don't have nothing else on me.
Okay.
I got a number and all that.
Come on.
Who is it that's coming?
Spit the cigarette out, please.
Well, I can't stay right here, though. They're not even here yet.
We're not moving anywhere until they get here. Spit the cigarette out, please. Thank you. Hold on.
I know it's weird. I know.
Well, it's my procedure.
I don't want no seatbelt on, though.
Sorry about you.
I don't want no seatbelt on. I'm pregnant, so you cannot put that seatbelt on.
It's not tight. Pregnant women can wear seatbelts.
No, you cannot, bro.
Yes, they can. Pregnant women can wear seatbelts. All right? That's not true. You're supposed to wear a seatbelt if you're pregnant.
I ain't even worried about it.
I know.
Hell, dusty ass bitch. Really stay dick.
This Karen was charged with 2 counts of child endangerment and obstructing justice. In such cases, the penalties can include significant fines, probation, and a lengthy prison sentence, depending on the severity of the charges in the court's ruling. Crazy situation, right? Here's what people in the comments had to say. Imagine all the screaming this baby has endured? Yikes. Take that poor baby away from that hysterical fool. Prime example of why kids grow up being disrespectful to cops. Remaining calm and cooperative during police encounters is key. Resisting or accusing officers without evidence can escalate the situation, leading to more serious charges. It's important to handle legal matters through the right channels rather than reacting emotionally. Crazy, right? But the next one takes it to a whole new level. Subscribe to Urban Law now so you don't miss the madness.
Hands right back now.
I'm getting arrested.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
On January 14th, 2024, police were called to Sandbar Sports Grill in Cocoa Beach, Florida, after a woman reported that she had been physically abused by the staff.
Right here, that's her right here.
She's right here?
Yeah, dude, she's f***ing wild. Be careful.
All right. 78's 1012.
I'm trying
to see you. Listen to me.
I was sitting there drinking.
What happened, dear?
They just threw me down.
Okay, do you got ID on you at all? I'm 1012 with a female. Do you have any way I can identify you at all?
He just physically...
I know, but I need your ID for my investigation. So do you have any sort of ID at all?
I got one from Camp Road, and you're not even that spot. I want my freaking $7 drink, and I wasn't doing anything wrong.
All right. So I'm going to have you talk to this officer here, okay? I'm going to go figure out what's going on with them, all right?
Did she stand 10-12
with her? Okay. What happened? Let me see your head.
I got
Let me see your head. Look at me. Let me see your head. Ooh. You medical?
No, I just got assaulted.
Okay, what happened?
Sitting
Talk to me what
down
happened.
drinking a mixed drink.
Okay, what happened?
That I paid for.
Okay, then what happened?
They're assholes. I was trying.
Okay. Why did you get hit? You know, that's what I'm checking out. Why did you get hit? What happened?
I don't know.
Okay, were you just sitting there? Someone decided to punch you? No, you're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
No, you're staying.
The officer speaks to another staff member, who explains that the woman became aggressive after being asked to leave and was physically restrained during the altercation.
Staying right here. So what happened, brother?
All right, when I went to tell her, excuse me, I got it. When I went to tell her to leave, she said no. Got her bag on the ground. I was like, all right, you're going to have to leave. You know, I've been told to have that you got to leave. Yeah. She was like, I'm not fucking going anywhere. Okay. I was like, is this your bag? She said, yeah. I went to grab her bag, grabbed her bottom shirt, ripped, went to swinging on me, so I just grabbed her hands, put her in there, come on out here. Got here, somebody tripped on our feet, we hit the ground right there. Okay. Right here, and that was it.
All right, yeah, because she's got a nice little goose egg on her forehead,
right here.
And her mouth is all bloodied up. So if you guys tripped and fell,
yes sir,
tripped and fell,
yes sir.
So did she strike you at all or anything like that?
She come at me. She hit me. She ripped my shirt and shit. Like she was coming enough to grab me.
The woman continues to refuse to cooperate, insisting that she was a victim of assault and claiming injuries, including broken ribs.
Anywhere?
Yeah.
No, you're staying right here. Stay here.
Okay, be careful with that light.
Well, I need to be able to see you.
You see that?
Yes, I'm trying to see you. Listen to me.
I want that asshole.
Who hit you?
Who
hit you? Who hit you?
I was just sitting down here trying to enjoy myself.
Listen. Who hit you? Who hit you?
It really doesn't matter because nobody's going to do anything about it anyway.
Who hit you? That's what I'm trying to figure out. You're saying you got hit and you have thing that you got hit. I'm trying to figure out
Why were you hit?
Talk to the goddamn bouncer.
That's what they're doing right now, but I'm trying to figure out from you why'd you get hit.
And I was nothing. I was sitting
Okay, listen to me.
down.
Listen to me. Okay, you were sitting down. What happened then?
I was drinking my
10-4,
a
33.
very expensive mixed drink, minding my own business,
Okay.
and got thrashed around.
Is that the only injury you have right now?
No.
Okay, what other injuries you got?
I've got a bunch of broken ribs.
You have broken ribs right now from this? No. Stay here.
No, I'm
Stay.
gonna sit
No,
down.
then you can sit down in front of this car. Listen, no.
I've got a
Okay, I got you.
broken hip and
Sit
I got
down.
somebody
Then sit down.
thrashing me down.
Despite her injuries, the woman continues to be defiant and refuses to leave the property when asked.
Okay.
They're not prosecuting shit. So, well, you're not getting your mixed drink back.
Sitting down my
So here's the deal.
head.
I see that. But with your level of intoxication,
I wasn't.
do you have a driver's license? Do you have a name, date of birth? Anything like that?
Give me your name.
Xbox worked this morning. He's home.
Well, I want to talk to Xbox.
Well, he's not here.
Well, I just got physically abused.
Okay, if you're saying you're a victim, I need your ID to identify you.
I don't have no.
Okay.
Do you have a name, date of birth?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. Write it down.
I want
Here.
that fucking asshole that just assaulted
Here, write your name.
Why don't you guys do anything?
Write your name down, okay?
I can't even sit down and enjoy myself.
I need you to write your name down so I can, if we need to write a report.
I don't want to talk to you right now.
Well, as of the moment, you're being trespassed on the property, so I need you to get off the property.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay, so I need you to get up and get off the property.
What's your name?
I want somebody
Doesn't want to say. It's a
arrested
trespass. She doesn't have to.
physically
Okay.
abusing.
Okay. Do you want to make a report for a person hitting you?
You go.
Okay.
Hey,
Do you want to make a report for a person hitting you? Get your hand out of my face.
I
Do you want to
have
make
seizures?
Okay.
And I don't need to be
Okay.
in the head. But you can go goddamn check out the fucking tape.
Okay. Listen to me. Do you want to make a report for being hit? If you want to press any charges, you gotta make a report.
I want you to go fucking check the tape and arrest them. I don't give a shit
Okay.
about being trespassed.
You're being trespassed from the property. I need you to pick up all your stuff and let's
I
go.
want somebody to go.
I'm telling you one more time, if you're being trespassed from the property.
Listen. You need to get your stuff and you need to go. If you do not do it in the next 2 minutes,
10-15.
you're going to jail.
Well, I want somebody to be arrested.
Let's go.
for
Get your stuff.
assaulting me.
After multiple warnings, the woman is arrested for trespassing.
I want
Get her. Let's go. I'm done. Call 10-15 for me. I got it. Get up.
Change money back now.
I'm getting arrested.
Yes, ma'am. You are.
For what?
Face that way. Face that way.
Stop.
I'm about to put her.
Leave me alone. Goddamn funny.
You have anything on you that's gonna poke me, piss me off, anything like that?
Well, you got anything that's gonna poke me or piss me off?
It's gonna be for that.
God damn.
Okay. Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, piss me off, anything like
I
that?
just got physically assaulted for no reason.
To help you, but you wanted to not help us help you.
That is
So at the end of the day,
what I
that
was
is on you.
trying to explain.
Maybe you should leave when people tell you to leave. How about that?
Okay.
I didn't do
Pick up her stuff.
anything wrong.
Yeah, I told you to pick up
I
your stuff and get off
want
the
my
property.
You did not hear
Go.
me. Fine, I'm going to jail.
Yes, you are going to jail.
For what?
For trespassing. I told you multiple times to leave. You refused to leave. Stay right here. No, yeah, that's me. Lean against my bumper.
I'm going to jail for somebody physically assaulting me.
Yeah.
You can't go. There's cameras everywhere.
Yes.
You can't figure that one out.
Did we say it?
I have physical assault marks on my face.
Yes, you do. You got a welt.
Well, fucking go arrest him.
You would not cooperate.
They tripped and fell.
No, I didn't. No, I was physically assaulted. And all I was doing was listening to music and trying to enjoy myself. I just spent fucking $7 I didn't even have to sit down and enjoy a cocktail and listen to some music. And I get physically
Put her
assaulted.
in. I got.
Well, why don't you
What were you arrested for? You were just locked up. What were you arrested for?
Probably open container.
Okay, let's go this way. Come on.
That's why
Come
I
on this
was
way.
at a bar drinking.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah,
Sit down here.
it worked out real well for me.
Okay. What's this in your pocket? Looks like a napkin. Some more napkins. Okay.
And you can't do anything about the man that just assaulted me.
Watch out. Sit down in the car. 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 I'm going to push you in the car.
I'm going to pee in the back of it.
You better not piss in the back of my car.
I will.
You better not.
I was trying to relax. Now I'm in trouble for
Yes, ma'am.
fucking assaulting me while I'm sitting there.
Despite being handcuffed, the woman continues to resist and complains about the tightness of the cuffs.
Christina, stand up.
I can't.
You want me to carry you to the car?
I have my hands behind my back.
There we go. See look how easy it is. You're standing up. Wow.
You're doing a great job.
I'll try. Come on. Let's go.
Get your hands on. You don't have to jerk me around.
Well, you're not wanting to go. I'm pushing you to
I
walk.
didn't even do anything.
There.
Can you please It's fucking ridiculous. They're too tight.
I checked them when I put them on. They're not.
He not handcuffed.
Let's go. Out the car.
Where's my stuff?
The other officer has your stuff. Get out the car.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time.
Do you need some help? Do you need some help? Okay, I'll help you out.
Broken bones.
I'll help you out. Watch out. Watch out. Ready?
That's great.
3, 2,
No, I
1.
need you to take these off.
No, come on, get
I don't deserve them.
Oh, well. Watch out.
Yeah, my head. I'm having a hard time getting around.
Oh, I can tell. You're drunk.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Oh, no, you're not?
I wish I was.
Oh, you are drunk. I can smell it. My car smells like alcohol.
I don't care.
My car smells like alcohol. You don't even know what you're saying. You said someone took you home? You said...
Broken fucking bones.
Okay.
Christina was charged with trespassing, and as a repeat offender in Florida, she faces up to 1 year in jail, fines up to $1,000, and possible probation. Courts can also order community service or mandatory counseling to address repeat violations. Now let's dive into some viewer comments, and trust me, they didn't hold back. Santa needs to stop letting the elves have happy hour. She is loaded. It's scary how fast drinking and drug usage is people. This case shows how ignoring repeated warnings and refusing to leave private property can quickly lead to arrest. Respecting lawful orders and cooperating with police is the simplest way to avoid escalating a situation. Do you believe this Karen was overreacting? You won't believe how wild the next one gets. Hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next meltdown.
Can you open up your mouth for me real quick? Lift your tongue up? Alright, cool.
On March 29, 2025, Deputy Gibbons of the Dona Ana County Sheriff's Office spotted a vehicle breaking multiple traffic rules. He pulled it over and found the driver was a 20-year-old woman.
Hello, Deputy Gibbons, Dona Ana County Sheriff's Office. So, stopping you for a couple reasons. Do you know why?
Why?
Alright, first one is your license plate lights out, okay? Second one, when I was behind you, you went into the turn lane on the opposite side of the road.
Which one?
When you turned by Sam Steele, kind of by Whiskey's.
Let's go ahead turn to the right lane. And then I turn left.
Okay.
Or right.
Alrighty. You have your driver's license and everything on you, ma'am? Where you heading from?
From my mom's boyfriend's house.
Your mom's boyfriend's?
Yeah.
Okay.
He had like a little steakhouse.
Oh, okay.
Our number.
He asked if she'd been drinking, and she initially admitted to only drinking 1 can of Twisted Tea.
So look, what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you hop out for me, okay? Alrighty. I'm just gonna have you stand next to my push bar over there, okay? So you said you were coming from your stepdad?
Yeah.
Alright, how much do you have to drink over there?
Like a drink.
Of what?
Like a tea.
A Twisted Tea?
Yeah.
Okay. With your parents?
Yeah.
Okay. The reason why I'm asking is because I do smell the strong odor coming off of you, okay? Would you be okay to do standard physical body test? Alrighty, cool. Just give me a minute, okay? Let me set up my lights. Just like that.
Suspecting the woman might be impaired, the officer asked her to perform field sobriety tests.
You're gonna follow the tip of my finger with your eyes only, don't move your head. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Any questions?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you wearing any contacts by any chance?
No.
One, 2, 3. Alright, get back in that position I told you to get into, okay? Alright. Any questions? You understand? Alrighty. You may begin. You're going to lift it approximately 6 inches, about the size of a Coke can, okay? Just like this, you're going to look down at your feet, you're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth till I tell you to stop, okay? You're going to keep your arms straight down by your side and you're going to look at your toes, okay? Do you have any questions? This is how I want you to be, okay? Alright.
Sorry, it's not like...
Yeah, I'll tell you when to start, okay? And then you just count until I tell you to stop, alright? One second. You don't have any questions? You understand? Alrighty. You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006.
Do it like I showed you, okay?
1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1014, or 13, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 1021, 1022, 1023.
Alright, you put it down. Alrighty. Let's walk over there to my car, okay?
After completing the test, she was arrested for driving under the influence of alcohol.
Go ahead and turn and face my unit. Right now you're being placed under arrest, okay, for driving under the influence. Not too tight, right?
Show 1388, 141, 1015.
Do you have a belt on? Okay, you don't have anything on you or in you that's gonna get you in more trouble, right?
I got my head.
Your neck?
Right here.
Okay. Anything else in your pockets? In your...
Probably it.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw this back in your car, okay?
That's fine.
Huh? Yeah. Alright, appreciate it, brother. Can you open up your mouth for me real quick? Lift your tongue up? Alright, cool. Look, I'm gonna read you something, okay? That's what I'm trying to find.
Do you think I can call my mom to tell
Yeah,
them
I can let you call
to
her.
let them know that I won't be able to make it into work?
Yeah, no problem. Okay, look, so I'm gonna read you something, and this is a yes or no question, okay? I can't answer any of your questions, so after you say yes or no, okay? All right, listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DWI.
Mm-hmm.
The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or a laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or a physician of your own choice to perform any additional chemical tests. The cost of this additional test will be paid for by a law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes? I'm sorry. I need a yes or no. Like.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
It's a yes? Okay. Alrighty. 1388 Central. Implied consent read and agreed.
While searching her vehicle, officers found an open alcohol container. Her parents arrived at the scene and learned that their daughter was intoxicated and had been arrested.
Open container in the door.
Oh, okay. What is it? Twisted?
Yeah.
I can smell it, bro. It was strong. So she's gonna get open container, failure to maintain lane, and then DWI.
So between the seats.
Alright, cool. I'll charge her with just one open container, and then here's her bracelets and she said just throw it in the car.
Okay.
Cool.
Oh, the keys are in the ignition. What's up? I'll be Dave. When we walking up on me like that. Can I help you with something?
Not doing it. This is my daughter's car.
Okay. Well, what's your daughter's name?
Ebony.
Ebony. So Ebony was arrested, right? For who are you?
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to make sure, because if you're some random person, like I can't tell you, right? No. So Ebony was arrested for DWI. Okay. Unfortunately, the vehicle is going to be towed. I'm just inventorying the vehicle. It's just by our policy to make sure nothing goes missing. Okay. She's on her way to the station right now. She just decided to provide a breath sample, so she's on her way there right now.
She was charged with aggravated DUI, having an open container, failure to maintain lanes, and an inoperable license plate lamp. In California, aggravated DUI can result in up to 1 year in jail and fines, along with possible license suspension. Other charges can carry additional fines and penalties. Right or wrong, the situation definitely sparked debate. Let's take a look at what viewers said. She said she was drinking with her mother and her mother's boyfriend at his house. If this is true, shame on mom. Notice her parents were respectful and so was she. No ratchet behavior. She'll learn from this. Well done, officer. This young lady remained compliant, probably due to your treatment of her. Driving under the influence can result in serious charges, including jail time, fines, and a suspended license. Even small amounts of alcohol impair your ability to drive safely. It's crucial to always make responsible decisions to avoid legal and personal consequences. That was intense, but the next one goes even further. Subscribe to Urban Law now so you don't miss a moment of the chaos. On June 5th, 2024, at 9:56 p.m., officers Souza and Bone responded to a report of an unoccupied vehicle on Halsey Street. Upon arrival, they found a 2021 Toyota Corolla blocking the road, with a woman asleep in the driver's seat.
What are you doing?
My husband has been in rehab.
No reference all included Camry, colored gray, so
how to get him out of there, but
Let's talk outside real quick.
it's okay.
We're gonna talk outside.
Okay.
Huh?
Sorry, you scared the shit out of me.
I know, you scared a couple people because you're stopped in the middle of the road, sleeping in the car. Just step out real quick.
Yeah.
Don't turn the car on. Don't turn the car on. Just step out. Just step out.
While talking with Lauren, they noticed the smell of alcohol and saw additional signs of impairment. Lauren admitted to consuming 2 White Claws earlier that evening.
I'm going through a huge situation right now. My fiance, took off. He was in the hospital.
Okay.
And he kind of took off. I picked him up and...
How did you end up here though? Because your car is in the middle of the road and you were sleeping inside the car.
Sorry, I've been dealing with too much today. I'm sorry.
So, have you ever had anything to drink tonight? I can smell some alcohol from you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah? What'd you drink?
White Claw?
White Claw? How many?
2.
2 White Claws?
Yeah, the big ones.
The big ones? That's what puts you to sleep? Did you mix anything with it, or was it just White Claw? It was just a White Claw?
Yeah.
And what brought you, like, over here? Specifically, were you just driving around?
So here's the deal. My fiance had an accident like 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And he's been like released from the hospital, living on the fucking street.
Okay.
So I went to Morristown to pick him up. I'm sorry.
You're good. Listen, careful. You're like,
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're like leaning back.
No, I'm just
All right, so listen, here's what we're gonna do, okay? So obviously you told me you drank.
all my cousins are cops. Like, it's not a problem.
Okay, I understand that. Listen.
The problem is my fiance jumped out of my fucking car. I went to Morristown to find him. After he got like inappropriately released from the hospital. I'm struggling.
Yeah.
And I don't know where he is.
Okay, so let's take a break from the
over.
fiance for 1 second. Let's focus on what we have here, right?
Sure.
So obviously your car is just stopped in the middle of the roadway, and you were just sleeping inside the car in the middle of the road.
So I thought he was gonna get back in the car. He jumped out of the fucking car.
Yeah. And obviously you told me you drank. So listen, we're going to do a couple tests. I just want to make sure that you are in appropriate condition to drive.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
We'll do a couple tests, and we're going to go from there, okay? So...
Can I put my phone, like, in my car?
I'll take your phone. 1 second.
Officer Souza began administering the walk and turn test. During this test, Lauren was unable to walk heel to toe on each step and lifted her arms to maintain balance.
Do you understand the test?
Yep.
Okay, if you want...
I don't understand the small steps, but we'll get there.
You don't understand what, I'm sorry?
I don't really get the small step aspect.
Okay, I'll explain it to you again. So, with your feet like this, heel to toe, right? You're going to take 9 steps like this. Okay? And you're going to count out loud as you're doing them.
I got that.
Okay? So you're going to do that from... Get back in the starting position, please. All right.
I can't stand parallel. Okay.
Hands to your
ready?
side. All right, if you understand the test, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I turn around and do...
The same way I explained it to you.
That's the part I was confused about. Like the tiny steps? You said they were tiny steps.
You just turn around. Just turn around and do 9 back.
The second test was the one-leg stand. During this test, Lauren struggled to lift her foot correctly and repeatedly put it down before finishing. For safety reasons, the test was stopped.
So lift your foot 6 inches off the ground. Your feet face downward, okay? And you're gonna go 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000. If you drop your foot like so, simply pick it back up and continue where you left off. 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, you can
just like get my foot in the ground.
Sure. Where would you like to stand? That's why I came up here, because it was more level. Do you wanna go down more?
No, I mean my heels are fine here. Okay, ready?
Okay, so just whatever leg you want. One sec, hold on. One sec.
2 1,000, 3 1,000.
One sec, ma'am. One sec. Get in the starting position. Can you get a 30-second time clock on your watch? On your phone? He'll tell you when to be in, okay? And then you can begin. You may begin.
1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000.
You can continue where you left off.
I'm sorry, you still don't remember he jumped up.
I understand. Right now, just don't worry about him.
Due to her signs of impairment, the smell of alcohol, her admission of drinking earlier, and her inability to successfully complete the field sobriety tests, Lauren was arrested for operating a vehicle under the influence.
Right now. Are you
We're going to have a 503 out here, 450.
Okay.
Can you start a hook for Tango
You're good.
67, Romeo Mike Kilo?
Man,
My cousin's
We're on
all
green lane,
cops.
6 up north.
It's just...
I know, but unfortunately, that's not really going to help you right now. I need you to put your hands behind your back, please.
No, are you serious? I have to work tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. You'll be out tonight, though. You'll be out tonight.
Are you fucking kidding?
It's not criminal. You'll be out tonight.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
Come on, you guys.
You're gonna be out tonight.
I guess she has a radio on. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll grab whatever you need, okay? Just give me 1 sec. You're gonna be out tonight in like 3 hours.
What does that mean?
That means you're not going to all this is so all that's happening is this. You're gonna come with us. We're gonna process you. You're gonna blow into a machine, okay? Once that's done, we do some paperwork we have to fill out. You call someone that can come pick you up, and then you leave.
I have no one that can pick me up.
You have nobody? So if you can't find anybody that can pick you up, then you just have to wait until the morning until you sober up. Okay? But if you can find, we'll let you make phone calls, then you can call people and see if you can find someone, okay? So walk to this car real quick. Turn around. Alright, so just walk this way.
Can I get my phone?
We'll grab all that for you.
Yeah, we're going to have one under for 450. Can you start at the next available tow, please? We'll give you...
Yeah, I'm going to that. It's correct.
Ask him about Springfield. You don't have anyone that can operate the box.
PDA card or some shit like that?
No, that's not gonna work right now, okay? For you to step in here. Yeah, we'll grab that. Just walk in. 1 sec. Hold on 1 sec. I'll just check this pocket, okay? Inside a female officer will check you better.
Like a million directions, sorry.
Be careful. So no, you're good. Okay, you're good. Step in. We'll have a female officer inside and she'll
You're
check
going
you
to
better.
get
We got another unit here.
What does this mean? Can you just tell me what it means?
Swap.
Can you
Let me do it. Huh?
I have to be at work.
You're gonna be out tonight, 100%. 100%.
This Karen faced multiple charges with operating under the influence, reckless driving, careless driving, and obstructing traffic. After processing, Lauren was released pending her court appearance. Right or wrong, the situation definitely sparked debate. Let's take a look at what viewers said. Did she pull her zipper on the onesie down 5 when she left the car? Face green smiling. My question is, why is she engaged to an addict? Girl, you can get an Uber or Lyft to work. She's too worried about her boyfriend to be able to balance on 1 foot. The key lesson here is to never drive while impaired. Alcohol clearly affected Lauren's ability to follow simple tests, leading to serious charges. Protect yourself and others by choosing not to drive under the influence. On February 15, 2025, Millburn police were called about a suspicious car and a woman shouting on her phone nearby.
Hi, miss. You okay? You okay? Accident? Slid?
Hello?
It's gonna be West Road, just off of Hobart Gap. Did you just slid? Did you hit the tree, or?
I really don't know.
I see there's something there on the ground. I don't know if that's you. All right. We'll do an accident report. Well, it looks like you probably need to get towed, though. I got some steam coming out of here. That might be the radiator. Let's see. So you were coming down this way?
Officer, I just took in my car from a friend. He just fixed it.
I mean, I can't fix it.
I don't have much information, honestly. I really don't.
Do you have your driver's license? I just need the insurance and the registration.
I don't have it.
Do you have a picture of it or anything?
No.
All right. Here, take a seat in the car.
I'm cold.
Yeah, take a seat in the car. The radiator's busted, so you can't drive it, but you can sit in the car and stay warm, okay? Come on. Come take a seat.
The officer suspected the woman was intoxicated based on her behavior, despite her initial denial of drinking.
On my phone.
Okay, let's get to the car and get you out of the cold.
Do we need to call an ambulance?
Yeah, let's check her out.
I'm fine.
You sure?
I'm an RN. I'm fine.
Okay. We're definitely gonna need a tow.
Okay. Okay.
Alvin and I, we're gonna need a tow. It's gonna be a Honda Accord, I believe.
Yes.
You sure you okay, miss?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
We're going to be for disabled, correct? Not a town?
Nah, it's gonna be an MBA.
Yeah.
Miss, have you been drinking?
No.
You sure about that?
Positive.
Okay, why are you having trouble walking?
Because I am thoroughly disturbed.
I'll talk to Greg if you
Yeah. All right. Just sit tight for a second.
All right, I'm going to stay with you, ma'am, because you're falling all over the place. I'm just going to stand next to you. Okay? So, I know he told you our body cams are on, so everyone's recording right now all this conversation.
I understand.
Charlie 411 after testing.
All right, let me hold your bags for a minute. We're going to put it up on the car. Okay? Just going to keep it right here.
Freezing.
Can I get into the vehicle?
Not right now.
I'm freezing.
It's okay. This is Officer Cron. Hello. Stick your hands out of your pockets for me. Have anything to drink tonight, ma'am? You speak English?
I do.
Do you have anything to drink tonight?
I did.
Okay.
Officer Cron tried to administer sobriety tests, but the woman refused, leading to her arrest.
In that position, okay? Until I tell you to begin, okay? When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that line. With a series of small steps, you're going to turn and 9 heel-to-toe steps back. It's going to look like so, okay? I'm going to demonstrate for you.
You don't have to. Let's just go.
I have to. I'm going to do 3 steps for demonstration purpose. It's going to look like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Series of small
I
steps.
was not driving a vehicle
Turn around.
at all. I was never driving.
Listen, you're not paying attention.
You're not paying attention.
You're not paying attention.
I was
I'm about to
not
arrest you for driving while intoxicated.
I was not driving intoxicated at all.
Ma'am, you crashed your car.
Sir, I did not crash that vehicle.
Are you refusing to do the test?
Pardon?
Are you refusing to do the test?
Absolutely not.
Okay, to do the test.
Listen, I'm trying to explain to you. I'm trying to give you the opportunity to do this test.
You got a tire start to give you a problem?
I'm trying to do this test. You want to do the test? let me do this test. Ma'am. Starting position. Put your right heel in front of your left toe.
Okay, redo it for me, because you missed it.
Okay, I will redo it for you.
I appreciate that.
Okay. Okay, we're not doing this right now.
I am, actually.
Right. We're locking her up.
All right. Dan's locking back.
You locking me up?
Yep.
For?
You're not cooperating.
I'm being arrested for not cooperating. Okay.
No, for driving while intoxicated.
Okay.
Okay.
Miss, is your ID in here? I need the info for the car, too. It's all in here?
I was not driving while intoxicated at all.
Ma'am, your car's destroyed.
I was not driving it, sir. I was not driving it, sir. Did you see me driving it? At all.
You can bring that up in court. Somebody's...
501-100.
501-100. Great Seat 100, 1957.
How do you want to split this up, man? Do you want him to take the experience? Do you not want to? Do you want me to grab it because they called me to...
I feel like I'm being falsely arrested. I was not driving the vehicle.
You're refusing to take the test, though, ma'am, so that's it.
I did not refuse
You're
anything.
arrested for a DUI.
Sir, I did not refuse anything.
Okay, it's too
Make
late.
it known I did not refuse anything
All right, everything's recorded. You're good.
After being placed in the car to head to the station, the woman began crying and criticizing the officers.
What am I being arrested for? I was not driving. I was not driving. I was never in a vehicle. I want to call my lawyer.
Okay, we're gonna go this way. Let's stay off the snow mountain so you don't get hurt.
Make sure they have a mason searcher when they get that bag. And then we go to the other side. I put our bag on this side.
Good. Going around.
Go right around. You need me to pull the car up so it's not in the snow, or you're good? No, I'll see that.
Yeah, we can get it.
Slow steps. Slow steps. Slow steps. Slow steps. I can help you get in there if you want to search it before they tow it.
Right, watch your head.
Watch your head.
Okay, swing your feet in.
Swing in, scoot back.
All right, miss, real quick. They're going to take you down, and they're going to do the alco test thing, okay? So they're going to check you. Then they're going to bring you back to me, okay? I'm going to get the paperwork going so that we can get you picked up and go home, okay? You have somebody in mind who can pick you up when you get back to me? Okay. All right.
Appreciate you, brother.
Oh, thank you.
What township am I in?
Right now we're in Springfield. Well, we came from Milburn, we're going to Springfield right now. Are you okay?
No.
Why are you crying?
Are you familiar with the circumstances that I'm in, sir?
Of course. But I asked you.
Why do you think I'm crying?
All right, but when I asked you, you told me you weren't. You don't understand what's going on. So of course I'm gonna be surprised as to why you're crying. You told me you didn't understand what's going on.
So anybody with handcuffs in the backseat of a cop vehicle should be f***ed up if they ain't crying.
Nah, it's not. It's not.
I have nothing else to say.
Say it again. Like the other officer told you, we're gonna handle the documents that need to be handled, and we'll get you home. Just try and stay calm.
The woman was charged with operating a vehicle under the influence. If convicted, she could face a fine ranging $500 to $1,000, a possible driver's license suspension, and mandatory alcohol education programs. Many people commented on the circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. Darn, I hate when my car goes out and parties without me, completely unleveled. I wonder what she lies about at work. She takes no responsibility for her actions. She's barely smart enough to be a PCA, let alone a RN. Always stay calm and cooperative during police encounters. Refusing tests or behaving aggressively can escalate a situation and lead to more serious consequences. After you see the next case, you may want to think twice. It's shocking.
Fight with me.
Stop. Get the f off of me. Let go.
Officers were summoned on March 6, 2025, after a lady and her boyfriend got into a fight and she began threatening him.
I'm not doing this. He's got a gun upstairs. He overdosed in his room. Go ahead. I'm not dealing with this. It's on the floor upstairs. What?
Let's just talk first. We want to talk to you.
I have nothing to say. Go get the gun. How about you do that? It's his. He's fine. He's half blind.
Okay.
I want him arrested.
What did he do to you?
Look at my face. He nodded out and I had to break in the door. I've been down here. Look at I've been cleaning everything, scrubbing the couch. He is a idiot. He'll come down here, he'll start something, and then, God knows, go nod out somewhere. I'm done. I'm not dealing with him.
Okay. So
want him arrested. Call his mom, because I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not joking.
Okay.
I lived here for 3 months. I've established residency. I'm not doing.
The officer asked the woman what had happened, and she explained the entire incident.
Well, first we'd like to just talk to you, and then I'll go look at the gun and the heroin.
No, yeah, please go get it. It's upstairs.
We will. We just got to figure out what's going on.
So how did it start? You tell us your story.
He's been doing heroin for like 2 weeks.
Okay.
Can I charge my phone? I'll show you the messages. Just call his mom. Call his mom. Mom. I don't want to say another word.
Okay. So we could talk about that after, but what happened today with the physical part? You got punched in the face?
Yeah, I got punched in the face because he came out of his room out of a dope rage. So, I'm done.
What were you guys arguing about? About him being doped out, or?
Yeah, he's been doped out for 8 days. I'm done. I want him out of my life. And I honestly was talking to his mom. I'm trying to help the kid and save him. But he nodded out. Yes, I thought it was and I had to open up the door, and he came out and he snapped. I just now found my phone. It's dead. I'm done. I've been trying to put his house together because he wanted me to come make his house a home. I'm done.
Okay.
So, and I'm pretty for sure he's not supposed to have a gun, so. I'm like more than
he doesn't have
positive.
a FOID card or anything?
No. Nope. And I've been cleaning this house. Take a look. I'm done. I was scrubbing the dude, you guys. Do you guys not see all the garbage on the side? And all this shit over here? He had crackheads here trashing his house. So, and a bunch of people. He don't have a license for a gun.
Jessica, can we go back?
My name's not John.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So, yeah. Actually, you know what? You guys, no. I'm not pressing charges. You guys need to leave. I'm not allowing you in the house. So, go.
Well, he allowed us in the house, so.
Cool. Oh, okay. So he wants, so go get him so he can show you his gun because it's right on his, he's gonna shit his pants because he don't think, he was so fucked up he don't even know it's there. And the bags are dope, the bags of dope are right next to it. Go get him. One of you guys go get him.
We have an officer with him right now.
Okay.
We're just letting him
No,
finish.
I want him to show you that he's got a gun here. I'm not playing this shit.
After talking to the officer for a while, the woman began to lose her temper and ordered him to leave her house.
making statements you want to kill him?
Really? I would have blown his fucking head off if I was. Okay? Thank you. The gun's upstairs on the fucking floor. I would have killed him already.
Do you give me permission to go look at the gun?
No, go get him and I'll go out back.
So
go get him so he can show you.
Let's just stop bringing stuff up upstairs if you're too afraid to even show us, because it's obviously not up there.
Go then.
Take me.
Go. No, go ahead. I'm taking you anywhere.
Okay.
It's his. And if he ain't in here, I'm not allowing you to go up there.
See, she's not.
He owns this fucking house.
What's up? She does this every time, just ignore it.
You mother.
Okay, Jack.
You. Bye then. Bye.
I have permission from him to be here.
Okay. Okay. Great. Cool. Then tell him to come here and show you.
We're still working with him, and obviously this is how we have to work with you.
Okay.
Because you do this every time.
This is. I don't give a. I don't know you, and I don't give a.
We know you.
No, you know my sister, so shut the up.
Okay, yeah. You're so understandable, right?
Yeah, you're.
Okay.
Because I've never done this before. Learn your shit, you dumb mother. You. Get out. Get the fuck out. You can go. I'll talk to him. And you can go. I'll talk to him.
You don't run the scene, Jack.
You don't either, mother.
Right now I do.
Yeah, no, the fuck you don't. No, the fuck you don't. Get the fuck out. I will have fun talking to him. Bye.
No.
You want to talk to him? I'll go out the
I have an
back door.
officer with him.
Then if you want him to go show you his gun, it's upstairs on the floor.
I'm not asking about the gun anymore.
Okay, what the f*** do you want?
I have to wait for the other officer to finish up with him.
Okay.
So we can see how you two could get along for the night. Because you're the one you want to leave, right?
No, let's go on the porch then. Go, come on, let's go.
On the porch with you.
Let's go.
First.
Get the go. I'm going.
You first.
No, get the going.
I'm not having you shut. We're not doing that.
Mother, you see that? I'm not closing the door. Get the going.
You touch an officer and you go.
I'm going outside. Move, mother. Tell your guy to move. Oh my God. Get the out.
There we go.
The woman continued to show anger, repeatedly raising her voice at the officers.
Filthy ass. Yeah, I just did all this shit. Yeah, I'm done. Cleaning up after a bunch of junkies. Have fun. You're going to jail. I'm not. I don't know what you want, but what? What are we doing here? Because I'm not leaving. You guys ain't gonna listen that he's got drugs up there on the floor?
Will you take
he
us?
Just overdosed.
Will you
Go!
take us to seize those?
I don't own this house. I can't.
You are a resident.
You know what? Let's see what he says. Guarantee he wants to do some dumb shit. Let's go. Huh. If you don't like your job, you should do it.
Well, I love my job. It's good to help out all the nice people in the community. Like
No,
yourself.
nice people. Yeah. You got bigger fish to fry. People with guns. Yeah.
Well, we would like to seize the gun and the drugs so we could at least charge them
It's
for
upstairs.
that. We need your permission to go up and get it.
Hey, John. They want my permission. Your gun, your knife, and your drugs are upstairs on your floor. Do I give him your? Do I have your permission? Get the f out. Tell him to get out now. Tell them to get the f out then.
Okay.
Tell him to go.
Jack.
Tell him to go.
Jack,
He said he told you guys. He said he's no. They're trying to get me to let them upstairs. Get them the f out of here.
Okay, so once he already gave us permission, we're here for an investigation. We are not leaving.
Okay.
That's flat
Fine.
out it.
Okay.
You keep saying you want something done with the guns and drugs, but you do not want to let us up there.
Because I'm not gonna have it come down on me.
It's
so
not
no,
going to
thank
come
you.
down on you.
No thanks.
No part of that. You're the reporting person. No part of that.
Yeah, because I'm pregnant and I am not dealing with his mom. Leave. Go deal with him.
They are dealing with him.
Good.
The situation escalated as the officers began to lose patience with the woman, eventually leading to her immediate arrest.
Let's go stay on the front porch again then.
Go get him. Go get him because you're not coming in this house. This is his house. So go get him and you can go up there with him.
All right.
No.
This time he has marks and whatever, and he wants to press charges.
So do I.
For domestic battery.
Oh, good. Okay.
Okay. So this time you're being placed under arrest.
No bullshit. You want to go upstairs then?
You are.
No, I'm not.
Stand up.
No, no. He even told me I established residency.
Stand up.
No.
Jackie.
You're coming up here to see this. No.
Put your hands behind you. You're under arrest.
Ow! Are you kidding me?
Jackie.
Wow.
Put your hands behind
All
your
right.
back. Put
Okay.
your hands behind your back.
Let me go.
Just comply. Just
This
comply.
is that's my
We're
dog.
resisting.
That is
Put
my
your
dog.
hands behind your back.
Get the f off.
You're
Jackie.
under arrest.
Get out. All right. All right. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm going down the
Stop resisting.
Dude,
Run away.
motherfucker, you
Turn the around. Fight with me.
Get the off of me.
You need to stop.
Let go of me.
Knock it off.
You got me off.
Fighting.
Get the off.
Stop fighting.
I am pressing charges against you, motherfucker.
Press charges. Stop fighting.
The woman resisted fiercely, making it extremely difficult for the officer to get her into the police car.
Let me.
Let go of me.
We'll take her face. We'll take her head.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, don't fall.
Yeah.
You're f***ing hurting me.
You're under arrest.
Ouch.
Kathy, this could have been so much more complicated. You didn't need to do it. Hey, let go.
Let go.
Rearrange her. She's getting all sprawled out.
Call 911.
Stand up.
Call 911.
You're shit.
Let go of me. Let go.
Knock it off. The more you fight, the more harder it is.
Cameras everywhere in this house, you motherfucker.
Hey, I'm wearing one.
Let go.
Jackie, you walk.
Let go of me, motherfucker.
Under arrest. Stop the shit.
I know.
Go, baby. Go. Let's go.
Can I have my water? Give me my f***ing drink. No. Give me my f***ing drink.
Stop it.
Here. Let go of me like that. So fucked. So fucked. So fucked. Get the f*** off me.
Sorry.
You're f***ed. You are so f***ed. You're not getting your kids, mother. You guys are hilarious. Do not pull my arm like that. You mother. Hold on. Get my water. Get my water.
Get in the truck.
Sir, please go get my water.
Get in the truck.
No. Because you're not going to give me anything to fucking...
Get in the goddamn truck.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest, battery on a law enforcement officer, and obstruction. If convicted, she could face up to 5 years in prison for battery, 1 year for resisting arrest, and additional fines up to $5,000. These charges may also lead to a permanent criminal record and mandatory anger management programs. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. I can't imagine anyone having to live with that voice every day. Again, a poor dog lives in this disaster. She is pregnant and fighting. She is a real winner. Losing control during a police encounter can lead to serious consequences. Staying calm and respectful is always the better choice. What a stubborn Karen, right? If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, consider dropping a like, and don't hesitate to subscribe to Urban Law. We can't wait to see you in the next video.